Hi guys, hello my advisory students. This is for those of you who don't show up Wednesdays at 8:15. I know I've talked to some of you guys about filling out this survey. I really have to have you do it. If you don't do it, I'm going to have to call your parents and make them have you do it. So you're going to go to classwork. There's a tab here called Transition Specialist Survey. Before it was just 8th graders. Now it's 7th and 8th graders. So every single person needs to do this. Once you complete this form, you need to turn it in. You need to click submit and turn it in from the assignment so I know you did it. Because currently I'm only showing a few people have done it. So there's two. There's one for career interest and there's one for goals. And I need you to complete these today. I need you to also come back and say, Ms. Cantwell, I finished both surveys so that I can document that, okay? So when you click the links, you're going to fill these out. These are not set in stone. This is just your interests, your goals, what you want to do when you grow up. So, I mean, it's kind of fun. Just have some fun with it and fill them out and let me know when you are finished. Thank you.